Hi guys, I just got to Ikea. I came because I was looking, I'm looking for some wine glasses that I bought like a couple years ago, and my mom broke my wine glasses. So I came to see if they still have them. Hopefully they do because they're like the perfect size and they're just really pretty. I'm very specific about my wine glasses, so hopefully they still have them, and let's go inside now. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with those lights too and the font. I was gonna buy these at Pier 1 for like $12, and I think they have them here for like $5. They also have these here, and these were the ones I was looking to buy. This is the reason why I came. Okay, I'm gonna take this light for the kitchen, and then I love this one for the dining area. So pretty. I also like these kind of lamps here. But I feel like this is more for like a modern farmhouse look. Hi guys, so yesterday I showed you I went to Ikea, and the reason why I went to Ikea is because I am looking for things to add on to my closet, but I forgot to measure my room, and I just ended up taking pictures of the things that I liked, and I already measured my room, so next week I have to go back and get all that stuff. But while I was there, I did find some things, and also I went there to get some wine glasses that I got a couple years ago, and everybody in this house has been breaking my wine glasses, so I was left with none of them, and I was super upset. But let me show you the wine glasses. I absolutely love these because they're just like perfectly like round, but not too round, and they're big. And I don't know, I just love these wine glasses, and I haven't been able to find anything like it. These are the wine glasses and that I like. I ended up just getting like a whole box of them. It's cheaper that way. If you buy them separately, I think they're like $5, and for a whole box they are $14.99, which is a box of 6. This is what the wine bottle looks like. It is so pretty. I promise you, it is not like the ones that they sell at like TJ Maxx or any of that. This is just like the perfect glass. Like, it's big enough, but it's not like super big. And I don't know, I just like these. So I got 6 of those, and I'm glad I have them back in my life because I missed them. Okay, so I also needed some new pillows, and I found these pillows here. They're called the Hampton, and these were like $5.99, I think. And I am not a person that likes like really thick pillows. It just makes my head hurt. So I found these are like thinner, and they're still like fluffy, so that's what I like. Sometimes I even like sleep without a pillow. So if you're like me and you don't like super big pillows, they just, like I said, like they just make my head hurt, these are perfect for you, and they're the Hampton. I've been wanting an espresso machine, and I found this frother in the meantime. So it's just a battery operated frother, and yeah, I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it, and then maybe go and buy an actual espresso with another frother. So this one was $2.99. I hope it works. Okay, and then the last thing that I got is this really pretty lamp. I got this lamp. It's in gold. So this is the lamp. That's how it looks. This is the name of the lamp, and the color is this really pretty gold. The plan that I have for this lamp is to go on top of the sink in my kitchen. So the one I have right now is the same style, it's just in white, and I found it in gold, and my kitchen has like gold accents, so this one was perfect. So since I forgot to measure my room, next time that I go to Ikea, I will bring you guys along as well and show you the pieces that I will be bringing into my beauty and closet room, and maybe I'll do like a whole makeover video of it. So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.